So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at removing scratches off this composite door. Now, to complete this task you will need a soft paper roll, an artist paintbrush with a paint of your choice, some furniture refresher and some cellulose thinners. Firstly, we need to completely clean down the door and frame. As you can see, the scratch is clearly visible on the bottom right hand side. Using some black acrylic paint, carefully using a small artist paintbrush, paint the scratch and rub the paint in the scratch using your finger. When the paint is dry, using this furniture refresher, start to apply it using some soft paper roll. Completely cover the door with the furniture restorer. This completely transforms the door and makes the door look new. Now, another way to remove a scratch is by using some cellulose thinners. By putting the thinners onto some soft paper roll, start to rub it over the scratch. This is called a chemical clean. Now, this method is better, but can be a little risky as you can see, the thinners removes some layers of the paint. So be very careful with this method that you don't rub the door too much, as the door paints are different on various doors. When you're happy the scratch has gone, apply the furniture refresher to transform the door to a new look. The furniture refresher will fade over a period of months, so reapply to restore the door once again to a new finish. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. If you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like. Drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.